I say something, it's out of line. I say it again, another time. I spoke freely when I was 17. I said the kind of things that no one was letting me. I pick you up, I pick you out of a crowd. How does it sound? Am I as loud as you want it now? I'll make you come up to my cloud. Best believe I'm not coming down. No, I am 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 not coming. I'll make you come to my cloud, 'cause I am not coming down. I'll make you come to my cloud, 'cause I am not coming down. Oh, I'll make you come to my cloud, 'cause I am not coming down. I'll make you come to my cloud, 'cause I am not coming down. Oh, I'll make you come to my cloud, 'cause I am not coming down. This is my chosen thing. I'd rather smoke something. I could probably blow a ring. I'm opening up as a singer. Nobody wants quality, they only want quantity. They keep ignoring me, it's boring me. I wanna be paid, I want double now, or I will not tell you how to get to my fucking cloud, 'cause I am not coming down. I'll make you come to my cloud, 'cause I am not coming down. Oh, I'll make you come to my cloud, 'cause I am not coming down. I'll make you come to my cloud, 'cause I am not coming down. Oh, I'll make you come to my cloud, 'cause I am not coming down. I'll pick you up, I'll pick you out of a crowd. How does it sound? Am I as loud as you want it now? I'll make you come up to my cloud. Best believe I'm not coming down. No, I am not coming down. I'll make you come to my cloud, 'cause I am not coming down. I'll make you come to my cloud, 'cause I am not coming down. Oh, I'll make you come to my cloud, 'cause I am not coming down. I'll make you come to my cloud, 'cause I am not coming down. Oh, I'll make you come to my cloud, 'cause I am not coming down.
Okay, all flight controllers, gonna go for landing.
How's it going, everybody? Yeah, so I think we're going to do some drag and drop development today. Building my front-end development right now. How's it going, Jason? Hunter. I call you Hunter, and I call you Jason. How's it going, Rospy? It's going well over here. Doing well. Trying to get this this drag and drop stuff done. But, you know, error in my build. Yeah, sorry, I'm just trying to get my build up right now so that I can actually run it. Looks like my latest weird layout failed or something. Yeah, Jafter. Hopefully it's going to go pretty well. Talked to Bram. When was it? 2 days ago? Yesterday, maybe? I don't remember. But we kind of went over what we thought was the MVP, what we thought was like get something out there and then iterate on it. And it's kind of just get what we have ready, get it so that it works, get it into dev, and then go from there. I think the big goal is actually going to be so that you can edit your dashboard on multiple different viewports. So what that means is if you're on desktop, you'll be able to edit your view for if it was on a tablet or if it was on a phone. So we're going to eventually give you the power to set that layout for that dashboard on all devices. Eventually, we'll see when that gets there, but first we're just gonna kind of get out the ability to drag and drop, the ability to resize and save that on your dashboard, and then you'll have to set it up for the device you use the most, and then go from there. It's going to be in an alpha stage at first, so it's not going to be fully expected to work. Okay, finally working. What are we doing here? Looks like webpack is just not working. So create a dashboard for each device, or when you're in that device, make your change and it will remember for that device. So this is going to be, so like before we get out the final version, yeah, you have to create a dashboard for each device, and that's how it'll have to work. But later you can have one dashboard. On that dashboard, if you were on like a desktop, there'll be like an option up here. Like once you're in edit mode, there'll be an option to say view or edit as tablet, and that'll be a smaller size. It'll then shrink like the size of your view, and then you'll be able to edit how it'll display in that mode, and then you can shrink it even smaller and then to a phone, and then that'll be your smallest view. If you don't set those up, then it'll just be kind of how the algorithm works, is how it will be determined. So yeah. So for some reason, webpack is failing right now. I don't know why. We're gonna fix that. Is go up here. God damn it, it takes forever. Yeah, and I'll make once we get it to that point, I'll make a video and show how to do it. But I think it's gonna be pretty cool. Hello? What is happening? What the fuck? Yarn is not adding my lit grid layout. When you eject from the CRA for the first time. I don't know what that means. CRA. Will there be a spot where you can put the size of your tablet in for the right measurements? Maybe eventually. I'm thinking that we could do that. But I think first we're just gonna... so there's different breakpoints, right? So 1200 pixels and above is desktop. 900 pixels to 1200 pixels is tablet or something. So if it's 900 to 1200, then we'll go with whatever's in between. So that's what 1050. So we'll set it at 1050 pixels, and then it'll cover the 900 to 1200 just at first, and then for the phone we'll just do like probably I think it's like 250 to 300 or something like that is the most phones. So we'll just set it to somewhere around there. Overall, it still should be the same. It's not going to your tablet's not going to be that much different. It may just shrink it a little bit or expand it a little bit. But eventually I think we should be able to set up, maybe for that dashboard or globally, like, here are my breakpoints that I want to set up. Can we please just build? I wouldn't have started the stream if I didn't know it was going to not build. But yeah, thank you guys for whoever or all the people who watched my video the other day about drag and drop. I got a lot of suggestions and stuff like that. Got a lot of feedback. Got a lot of people really wanting it, so it's good to see. A lot of people said use Grafana, which was the original inspiration, actually. So definitely using that as already. And then there's Grafana actually uses something called React Grid Layout, which is what I mocked and ported over to Lit Element, which is what Home Assistant uses in the front end. So I referenced that and created my own under Lit Element, and published that on GitHub, and now I'm using that within Home Assistant. So I'm actually using exactly what Grafana uses. They're just using a different way to display their cards and the way that they do responsiveness, right? So what that means is it's still failing. What in the fuck? What was I talking about? So it is using the same method, but Grafana uses it so that it just squishes. It's like responsiveness is squish until it gets to a certain breakpoint, and then it's one column, and that's it. So it doesn't really work with Home Assistant because our cards are just set up differently. So we can't do that. Once this gets added in, well, some of the themes that people have need to be recoded. Themes should not need to be recoded. Themes just kind of change the color, the maybe like the border radius of a card, the background color of a card, the color of the font, different stuff like that. This is only changing the way that the cards are laid out. So maybe your theme needs to be tweaked because it doesn't look as good anymore. But that's only like a personal preference. It shouldn't break any themes. Because I'm not really changing any of the theme variables or anything that uses a theme. The cards should all stay relatively the same. Now, if I refresh this, I think it's still not going to work. Cannot find module lit element directive repeat. This is very interesting to me. I don't know what is happening. Like, at all. What in the hell? Sorry, guys. Um, 1.3 and 2.4. 2.4 and 1.3, yeah. Story isn't there. Saying you cannot find. It's like I didn't, like, my build in my grid layout didn't do something. Let's try and figure that out. It's annoying. I wish I could use this. I don't know why it doesn't work though. So what's breaking is this. What if I take this out and try and re-import it? Something's weird. Something's real weird here. I don't know what it is. So we're just gonna try and npm run this build. Maybe I just need to ugh, why do I have to delete it like this? Yeah, I probably shouldn't have done it there. I'm gonna make this slack. Oops. Crashing VS Code like it's nothing. We're in the grid layout. What am I doing? rm-rf node modules. That maybe should work. Okay. Do the same thing to the dist. This is really annoying. I just wanted to show what's going on. Oh, right. Okay, so what we're doing, we're going to install all of our node modules again. Alright, let's take it forever. Ugh, annoying. Okay, cool. NPM. Oh, let's see if anything's outdated. Okay, apparently a lot of things are outdated. Update. How's it going, guys? Yeah. So, what's your favorite feature of the latest update of Home Assistant? Since we got time, we can just talk. I don't know why I have to do this manually. It's annoying. Is anybody using the quick bar yet? It's using like what is it? C and E, I think. Or entity and commands. It's a pretty cool feature. Haven't used to its fullest ability yet, but I think it's gonna be pretty cool. What else was there? We talked a lot about it in the Home Assistant stream. Did anybody watch that? Like on YouTube or anything? And now let's go to with this. I don't know if that's good or not. I shouldn't have looked at that. I don't know whether it's good or not anyway. Okay, so now since we've done this and that and shit and ass, let's go ahead and just update the package. We're going to run npm I one more time. Just trying to get my Yale lock to work all the way with Zigbee. It always says it's unlocked even if it's locked. Yeah, I had the same issue with my Wise lock. I thought it integrated better, but it didn't. So I could only view the lock. Can't actually unlock it, which sucks. But being unlocked even probably sucks even worse because you can't even see if it is locked. You can't even see if you did lock it. I do like it. It's better than opening 2 tabs to remember what the intended name is. Oh yeah, for the quick bar, and it has like a fuzzy search in it, which is pretty cool, I think. Okay, so we updated that. Now I need to go to Home Assistant. And do yarn. I didn't actually accidentally run npm, did I? Because we use yarn. This has worked literally yesterday. So I don't understand what happened. I merged dev. Something happened there, I guess. .1. What? That's what I put it as, right? Just not propagated yet. There we go. How do you like Zigbee and Z-Wave? Do you use Z-Wave any? Like I feel like Zigbee and all this stuff and using like events and shit to run buttons, and it's like a hard way to, or an easy way to get wrong, an easy way to like Chrome Assistant to miss a button click. For example, I have some like Aquari buttons, and occasionally they just don't work. Like it just like it's in too many events or something if you try and click it too many times, and just kind of buggy. I don't know. You just have to keep hitting lock. I guess that's true. You can just like, as long as you know that it is going to lock, with that like peace of mind, or that like in the back of your head, like did it work kind of thing. And so like because I couldn't lock it, I just set it up so I could view it, and I just used the app, the Wise app, to lock it for now. Apparently they're close to getting it, but we'll see. Guys, this has been the most boring stream in the world. I'm sorry. I don't know why it decided to break right now. It's perfect timing. Love it. Is it bad that I already forgot all the features of Home Assistant 1.1 or 1.117, even though I made a video about it? So, oh yeah, the compact header. That's a big one. Like, what do you guys think about that? And what's your next feature of the old custom header that you would like to see? Please don't break. Oh, come on. Don't think it works still. Might be ending the stream pretty soon. I don't know. I don't understand why it's not working. Literally worked. I do not understand webpack at all. Look at it. I like ZigBee better than Z-Wave, but that's just because my experience with Z-Wave seems not to be reliable and very hard to get to pair. Same. I'm in the same boat where ZigBee is much better than Z-Wave. ZigBee's just one easier in Home Assistant for me. Apparently there's this new beta Z-Wave out that's better, but right now ZigBee is easy to pair, like the UI is better. Overall just better. I don't know. I don't know what's happening. I'm just gonna have to put this in the chat and figure it out. Okay, well, I'm just gonna call it here. I don't know what's happening. I'll have to figure it out, and I'll probably try and stream tomorrow or sometime this week in a few days. I apologize, guys. Thank you for hanging in. Honestly, I have no idea what if you ever do front end development, or if anybody does in the chat. Webpack, roll up, anything like that. It's the most annoying thing in the world. But yeah, I don't know. I can never figure it out. For some reason, I don't think something's not working in my package. It's saying that it's just not converting it correctly to JavaScript from TypeScript. So, but otherwise, I will be back sometime in a few days to do what I was going to do today. So I will talk to you guys later.